In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the passcode for your tour that you download through the TourBuddy app. So I'm in the stops editor, and to change the passcode, I just click on App Info. It's on the left-hand side over here. I open App Info and then scroll down, and here's your app image, accent color, but if you keep scrolling, you see your guide name and organization name, short description, and here is where you can change your passcode. So my tour is Tour of Little Italy, so I have to have my passcode start with the letter T. So I'm going to call it Tour LI 2018. Sometimes I like to make it even shorter just because you don't want to type a really long passcode. But the only limitation is that the first letter of the guide name has to be the first letter of the passcode. And you can always change it right here to whatever you want. And then you don't even have to press Update App. It automatically changes it, so then you go to the TourBuddy app and you can download it using this new passcode, and the old passcode that you previously had, it will not work for future downloads. So that's how you change the passcode.